Hi, I'm Stephen Duwalan, and this is my Open Bascan reflection for our cybersecurity activity. After logging in, the dashboard showed two tasks, one marked done and one as new. The NBT chart showed detection across log, low, medium, and high classes. In the task by severity class, only medium and NA appeared. Thus, this is all the jobs and their status. Reports. My scan report showed one vulnerability with medium risk based on the CVSS score. Here, I saw more technical details about what the vulnerability is doing. This section describes the weakness and suggestion how to fix it. Even though only one medium vulnerability was found, it can be dangerous if ignored. Medium risks are often used by attackers when systems don't have high or critical issue. This scan showed me how OpenBus helped with risk management by finding weaknesses early. That ends my OpenBus scan reflection. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to learning more about fixing this risk in the future lesson.